Okay, so we are going to start from the next part of the lesson. So here you can see that on your screen, Revati's grief knew no bound. She went around asking everyone, her neighbors, but no one had seen anywhere near the porch of the plants. She could not lodge a complaint for the porch of plants. She felt that though everything was lost, she did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed her plants. She had grown very fond of them, and they were her friends who enjoyed her music. So here in this passage, the new word is knew no bounds, meaning is had no limits. So here the first sentence is mentioned that Revati's grief knew no bounds. That means she's so sad, she's so sad that there is no limit for her sadness. When you prepared for your exams, suppose I'm giving you example, when you prepared for your exams, you were there for a last night, haven't slept and working, means reading and writing and doing everything for your exam, and next day you come to know that exams cancelled. What will happen to you? What will happen to you? You will say that I was sure that I was there to come first in the class. I studied a lot. I did everything from my side. But what is this? The exams cancelled? What is this? Yes or no? Are you going to feel the same thing? Yes? Yes. The same things happened with her, that she loved her plant a lot. She changed her location. She used to spend time with them. And these plants were her friend now. Okay, why? The choice of the book, that is the plants and the Revati, same raga. Okay, same music, they both love, they're having a bonding together. Okay, but now at this moment, what she found that the plants are not there. Suddenly the plant disappeared, and that's why she's very sad. That's why the word is used, that knew no bounds. Okay, now she went around asking the neighbors that whether they saw these plants or not. But no one had seen the plants. Everyone was denying that we don't know anything about your plants. And she even can't lodge a complaint. Okay, see, for a person, you can lodge a complaint after 24 hours. There is a law that if someone is someone you know, that person missed, or you're not able to find out that person. So after 24 hours only you can lodge a complaint, and these are the plants. So how she can lodge a complaints? Yes or no? She's not able to lodge a complaints for this. Okay, now she felt as though everything has lost. Okay, now here she don't think that because of this, my plants are not going to win and I'm not going to get prize for the sin. That was not the feeling. Yes, that was the feeling, but it is the backside, means on the second number. The first number feeling that she lost her friends. Okay, the first feeling that she's having here is that I lost my friend, the friends with whom I'm spending time, with whom I'm playing my music, with whom I enjoy my music, and my friends who are enjoying my music. These are my friends. These plants are not plants, but my friend. And I lost them. That was the feeling she was having. Okay. Okay, now we'll go ahead. Now the next part of the lesson. That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her pot of plant on a bench with the name of a distant neighbor of hers as the competitor written on the small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plant. She went to the organizers and told them about it. So here, dear students, we can see that there was a prize distribution ceremony. Okay, there was a prize distribution ceremony, and here Revati was sitting very sadly thinking about her plants. Okay, so her friends came to her and they asked her to join the ceremony. She denied, as she was there as a participant. She was there as a participant, but now as she lost her plant, she was not there as a participant. She denied to go. But her friend said that if you like the plants, you can see many, many colorful plants over there. So come join us, you will feel better. Okay, so friends are these friends are someone in our life who are always there with us to keep us away from sadness, isn't it? Our friends are there always to make us laugh, always to keep us away from this sadness. Okay, so these friends want Revati to join the prize distribution ceremony and forget about the plant. Okay, now let's see what happened here. After going in the prize distribution ceremony, what Revati did? Revati was there. She went to the benches. She went to the benches where there were the plants. Okay. Now, when she was there near the benches, she was shocked. Why she was shocked? She was shocked to see her potted plants displayed. Now, if you love these plants, if you are looking at them every day, if you are looking at the growth of the plant every day, how you can forget about your plant? Yes or no, dear students? Yes? Okay, if you are having some plants like that and you are daily watering them, every day you are looking them, how many flowers they are having, how many birds they are having. So definitely you are not going to forget them. Yes, you can identify your plant anywhere. Same thing happened here. When she was there to see these plants displayed for the prize distribution, she was shocked to see her plants, okay, with the name of the distant neighbor. Now, distant neighbor means a neighbor, but the neighbor is staying little bit away from her house. Okay, she was shocked to see that my plants here displayed with someone else's name. Then what she did? She went to the organizers. She went to the organizers and tell them that this thing happened here. These are my plants and these plants displayed here with someone else's name. Okay. Now let's see what the organizers are there to say. The organizers were not convinced. They said, how you can prove that the plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is our regular participant. How we can doubt her? So these organizers of the organizer of this prize distribution, of this competition, the organizers of this competition, they denied to accept Revati's statement that these are her plants. What they said here, they said that how you can prove the plants belongs to you. Okay. And the lady who submit this plant, she is our every year's participant. So every year, whenever we are having this competition, she is our participant. Then why she is going to do something like this? So we can't ask her about this. Okay, just because you are saying we are not going to ask her about this. That's what the response from the organizers. Okay, I hope everyone is clear up to this. Okay, so students here, this is the next part of the lesson. Revati wondered how she convinced them. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants, the sight of the plants bending toward her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. Okay, so what happened here, dear students? Revati don't know how to convince the organizers, because she told them that these are my plants, but they don't want to accept it. Okay, they want to prove that how you can prove that these are your plants. So she sat there and she started thinking that how I'm going to prove that these are my plants. Okay, so what she did here, while thinking, she suddenly remembered that yes, my plants love music and they are bending towards me when I'm playing their favorite music. Okay, so here she told the organizers that she could prove the plants were hers. She ran home. While returning, when she returned a few minutes later with her violin, they started laughing. So here what happened, dear student? These organizers laughed at her. Why everyone laughed at her? That they thought that this girl will come with the pictures, photographs that the plants belongs to her. The girls might come with the receipt of the plants that were from where she purchased the plants or something. But what they saw, what the organizers saw, that girl came after a few minutes with a violin in her hand. Violin in her, sorry. So they start laughing at her. They start laughing at her. Okay. Now, okay. But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. So here three new words are there. Ridicule means what? Ridicule means unkind laughter. Okay, so ridicule, the noun, in the noun form of the ridicule is ridiculous. Right now? Okay, then the next word is deter. Deter means what? Discourage. So their laugh is not there to discourage her from her mission. And what was her mission? Her mission was to prove that these are my plants. Okay, so their laughter was not there to discourage her from her mission of proving that my plants are my plants, and I can prove that they can listen the music, they can understand the music, and they can react toward the music. Okay, she told them, I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me. You could see how they respond when I play to them. Okay, so here she was not there to be to get discouraged by the laughter of all these organizers. Okay, she is there to prove that my plants understand the music. My plants are music lovers. Okay, so as she said, they all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying the music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? No one believed her. They all start making fun of her, saying that do plants have ears like us to enjoy the music? Okay, so now she was not there to pay attention towards all that laughter, but she is going to play what? She's going to play the violin and making her plants to listen the music and react as per the music. So here in the next part of the lesson that we are going to see, she felt very dejected. Dejected means what, dear student? Sad or disappointed. She felt very sad, but she was determined to win her plants back. She determined to win her plants back. She sat near her plants with her violin and slowly she started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music. Engrossed means what? Absorbed attention or interest. Okay. Now, engrossed in her music, that means when she was there to play her music, she herself was paying full attention to that music. Revati even forgot that her plants are there. Her plants are there, and for them she is playing the music. Okay. She felt very dejected. She felt very sad after all the comments of the organizers. Okay, and then she start playing the violin. But while playing the violin, she forget everything. She forgot everything. She forgot about the plant. She forgot about the organizer. She forgot about everything, and she start playing violin for herself. Okay, she involved herself while playing this violin, and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Which was her favorite raga? Can anybody answer me through chat? Yes, which was her favorite raga? Yes, correct, Mohana. Okay, she start playing her favorite raga. Okay, now Revati even forgot that the plants are there and she's playing the music for the plants. But she started playing the favorite raga. But the others could not. With a wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants straight at first. The plants were straight at first, but they bent slightly as she played on and on. Their stems bent toward Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. The organizers were stunned. They had watched a new phenomena, the plant or phenomena of the plants responding to music. The Revati had become the great discoverer. Now, dear students, the organizers who were making fun of Revati, saying that how the plants can hear the music, they don't have the ears to hear your music. Okay, but here, when Revati sat down near the plant, playing her violin, what happened? She forgot everything, that she want to prove something to organizers. She is going to prove something with the plant. She was concentrating to her music only. But suddenly, what the organizers saw, Revati was not looking at the plant. Revati was full busy. She involved herself in playing that violin. Okay, sorry. So here, the organizers saw that there is a magic. The plants which were straight, they bend their stem towards Revati as they want to touch Revati. Okay. Then after watching this, they all were surprised. They all were astonished that how this can happen. But this happened in front of them. Yes or no? The organizers were stunned. Stunned means what? Astonished or amazed. Stunned means astonished or amazed. They had watched new phenomena. Phenomena means something that very unusual. This is actually not usual. The plants are moving for the music. This is not a usual thing. So they saw something unusual in front of them. Okay, now they all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plants were her. Applauded means what? Showed a praise by clapping. Showed a praise by clapping. So everyone started clapping for Revati. She was not knowing what is happening around her. She was just playing her violin. She involved herself playing violin only. But the organizers and all whoever came there for this prize distribution ceremony, they saw how the plants moved towards her. Okay, so everyone was convinced that the plants belongs to Revati. Okay, now we can see the next part of the lesson. That is, they pulled her neighbor up for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument. Okay, pulled up. Pulled up means what? Told someone that they had did something wrong. Okay, they pulled her neighbor. Now it is proved that that plant belongs to whom? Revati. It is proved now. So they called up the neighbor and they asked that why you are presenting these plants, someone else's plant with your name. This is cheating. Okay. Earlier she was not there to accept it. No. These are my plants. I brought them from the market. I used to do everything with them like that. But later, after a long argument, she agreed that she had stolen the Revati's plants. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and she had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. Okay, so as I told you all, dear student, that these all plants were there in the courtyard. Where were the plants? The plants were there in the courtyard. Okay, outside the house, unroofed area. Okay, so everyone can see this. Okay, so she was the neighbor, was a distant neighbor. Her house was quite away from Revati's house. While walking, she observed or she noticed these good-looking plants, and she decided that she is going to take this plant. So at the night time, when everyone was there inside the house, she stolen the plant, and then she submit her as her plant for the competition. Okay, now as she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. Okay, as she was a regular participant, nobody get a doubt that she have stolen these plants. Okay, now even when the Revati was there to talk with the organizers were not to accept it. Yes or no? The organizers deny that. No, how we can ask her? She's our regular participant. We are not going to ask the question just because you are saying. Okay, so why this happened? Because she was a regular participant. Now, the authorities decided that Revati's plants deserved the first prize and they were the best looking healthy plants. So Revati carried home prize proudly with her pot of what is the happy plants. Okay, so in this way, here we end this lesson and we can see how Revati proved that these are her plants. Yes?